Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today I am starting chapter number 9, English Reader. Chapter name is A Bicycle in Good Repair. Students, always you visit to the shopkeeper or repairing shop of the bicycle, and you might have seen the bicycle mechanic who repair the bicycle, just like wheels, handles, carriers, stand, tube, tires, everything. If the mechanic is good, your bicycle can be repaired its well. If mechanic is untrained, cannot repair the bicycle properly, and you may get in trouble. Same thing happened in this chapter. The author took the bicycle at home, only he had taken. He did not go to the mechanic to repair, but he had planned to for a long ride in a bicycle with his friend, and his friend had disturbed his bicycle. What had happened through the story we will study about it. Students, just like before you read the chapter I am taking, if you wish to go on a long bicycle ride, the bicycle should be in a good condition. It is sure that if we are wishing to go on a long bicycle ride, always be prepared and we check the bicycle either it is in a good condition or not. If possible, an expert mechanic should overhaul it, and if it is possible, we arrange or we give the bicycle to overhaul or mend the bicycles with the expert mechanic. But what happens if the mechanic has a will of its own? And here author is telling that what will happen if the mechanic is only depending or doing his according his wish, it own, and the mechanic knows next to nothing. Whatever the mechanic know, whatever mechanic did, he did not know next. So what will happen? So we are going through it, and you have to study a bicycle in a good repair. A bicycle in a good repair. A man I knew proposed one evening we should go for a long bicycle ride together on the following day, and I agreed. Author is telling here that one day a man he knew and he proposed, means author proposed him one evening for we should means to go for the long bicycle ride, and by next day, so they agreed, means his friend whom he knew, and he also asked to go for the long bicycle ride. His friend also was agreed to go. I got up early for me, means on that day author got up very early. He made an effort and was pleased with myself, means author made an effort for this, and author was very pleased himself. He was very pleased, means very happy. He came half an hour late, means his friend came half an hour late, and I was waiting for him in the garden, means author was continuously waiting him in the garden so that they could go for a long ride. It was a lovely day. Author was explaining here that it was very lovely day. He said, that's a good looking machine of yours, how does it run? Means as soon as his friend came, he said that it was a good looking machine, and how they should check how it was working. Means he had complimented to the bicycle. Oh, like most of them, I answered. Easily enough in the morning, goes a little stiffly after lunch. Very jokingly, the author said that, like most of the bicycle, runs likewise, it also runs very easily. And he further replied that in the morning times it also enough in the morning times, easily enough in the morning times, and a little bit less after the lunch. Means jokingly the author had answered to the man. Means what happened next? In next line I'm taking, he caught hold, means his friend. He caught hold of it by the front wheel and the fork and shook it violently. Means author was standing there and his friend who he knew came and caught hold the front wheel and fork and then started shooking violently means very toughly. I said don't do that, you will hurt it. Means authors told him that he had not to do like this, otherwise he would it would hurt, but he was not agreed it. I did not see why he should shake it. It had not done anything to him. Means author was also thinking that why his friend was shaking his front wheel, because bicycle had not done anything to him. But what happened? Beside, if it wanted shaking, I was the proper person to shake it. Means author was giving explanation here that if any kind of necessity is there to shook the front wheel of a bicycle, the author was the proper person to shook it, to shake it. I felt much as I should had he started waking my dog. May's author here realized that he felt also that he was waking means the beating or striking his dog. Means it was the experience of the author that the man was disturbing the author while he was disturbing the bicycle. Students, next number I am taking, he said this front wheel wobbles. And after checking this one, the man said to the author that the front wheel was a wobble. Wobble means having a dug, having a movement, means moving or move continue unsteadily from side to side. Means it was not a it's moving straight. I said it doesn't. If you don't wobble it, it didn't wobble. As a matter of fact, nothing worth calling a wobble. Means here author addressed him that it doesn't matter. Whatever is said, if he was not wobbling it, it doesn't wobble here. So it didn't wobble. It didn't wobble here. Further, as the matter of fact, nothing worth calling a wobble. And really, indeed, author told him that it is not. It was useless calling it a wobble. He said, "This is dangerous." He said, "This is dangerous." Means author said that is dangerous. That was dangerous. Have you got a hammer? Then his friend also asked that to author that was there having a did he have a hammer? I ought to have been firm, but I thought that perhaps he really did know something about the business. In the beginning, author was surprised. He was not agreed, but for some time he thought that his friend might be new about the wrong, whatever something is wrong with the bicycle, and he would improve it also. Here I went to the tool shed to see what I could find. Means after this, author went to the tool shed where he was thinking that he could find any kind of tool for the improvement of the for the mending of the bicycle. But what happened there? When I came back, he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. But what happened? What happened there? When the author came back to his friend, he found that he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. Anyway, keeping the front wheel between his legs and sitting on the ground. It was the amazing things for the author. He was playing with it, twiddling it round between his fingers. And what is here? He was playing with the front wheel, and he was twirling is turning the wheel round between his fingers. The remnant of the mechanic machine was lying on the gravel path beside him, and remaining parts of the bicycle was lying beside on the gravel path beside him, and the rest of the parts were lying on the gravel path. He said, "It took to me as if the bearings were all wrong." And he further told the man, means his friend, author's friend told him that all the bearing means ball bearings, means small round balls which are used in the wheels and help in moving the bicycle or wheel smoothly. So what is here? Author asked what was he doing and what was the wrong. That is why he had done so. So he replied that ball bearings were all wrong. That is why he had done this one. Next thing also I'm taking, I said, don't you trouble about anymore. You will make yourself tired. And author was weaker than his friend whom he knew, because he was healthier and he could hurt him also. That is why he could not asked him strictly, and he asked he very politely, author very politely said told him that he could be any more trouble, means he would be tired also if he was doing so. That is why he should not do this one. You will make yourself tired, let us put it back and get off. And the author asked him that he should put back and get off the bicycle. He should not do it, but he was not agreed. Okay students, we will discuss about this one also further in next lecture. Till then you have to go through it, because it is a very interesting story about the bicycle. So you have to study it properly, read it properly. I hope you will be able to understand it properly. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.